What's going on, everybody? So in the last video, many of you asked me about OxygenOS 11.3 and what has changed with this version. And the answer to all that is, well, a lot of things. And I don't like some of the changes that we get with this colorified OxygenOS. Though OnePlus did say that only some stuff at the backend will change, and to be frank, it is a lot to digest with just one version. Because one of the major factors that we all look towards a OnePlus device is to have a better and cleaner software. So in this video, let's have a quick look at OxygenOS 11.3 versus OxygenOS 11 on the OnePlus Nord 1 and 2. And let's find out what is the real truth behind all of the merging of OxygenOS and ColorOS. So watch this video till the end, as it is very important to know what is coming for all the old as well as new users. By the way, make sure you press the subscribe button to see more videos like this one in future. Alright, starting off with the launcher first, and here you might not see a lot of changes, and that's good. So this is what it looks like now with OxygenOS 11.3 and with the OnePlus Nord original. And it's almost identical apart from the new font that has been introduced. So no issues here, and it's just the same as compared to OxygenOS 11 on the OG Nord, which is a good thing, but there is a lot left to cover. The notification panel is also same, and now let's go to settings. So here the UI has quite a bit of changes, and now it looks a lot like ColorOS, of course. So we can now see some UI changes in SIM card and mobile data settings, and this page has similar UI from ColorOS. After this, one more major change has been introduced, and I am feeling a lot weird about this one. So this change is with the system updates option, and now this looks more like stock Android, but without any changelog part, and this is not good at all. So basically you get this screen now, and once you check for the updates, the device starts downloading and installs it. But the first update that I got yesterday had no changelog at all. So basically now I won't be able to cover the updates and bug fixes properly. Thank you, OnePlus. Also, it looks like there is now no way to install system updates from File Manager like we used to do before. And again, this is something I just hate, so we are basically stuck with long wait and no way to install the update like we had before. So I don't know if it is a big deal to you or not, but the older users know how long the wait usually is for installing an update, and not having a way to install the zip is just the ultimate death, and again, not justified, so may OxygenOS rest in peace. The update now installs after restarting, unlike before where it used to install in the background, and that has also changed. Plus it comes with this Chinese text now, so need not worry, it looks like someone forgot to translate. Also, the customization option in settings that was with OxygenOS 11 has now gone, sadly, and is now called personalization. So this is now identical to what we have with ColorOS, and though I don't like this whole change, it is just a matter of personal preference. And to me, the older UI was more homely. Also, the option to customize the accent color is now gone, and you get these default colors only. So if you don't like these, well, it's fine, then nothing else can be done. And I don't welcome this change also at all. The fingerprint animations have also changed now, and they look similar to what we have on ColorOS. And I like these, to be honest, as they feel refreshing and look cool. Also, there is one new ambient display in AOD settings, and that was not there with previous version of OxygenOS 11. Apart from that, the canvas AOD feature now lives in the wallpaper section instead of being there directly, so that's one minor change. In the display and brightness settings too, the toggles have changed and look this way now. But one major change that is again there is with the screen calibration option. And man, I loved the older options, as it gave me more control over how I want the screen to look like. And this new one only has two options, vivid and gentle. And again, this is like taking back control from the user, because I personally use this setting a lot, and I'm going to miss that option. We also get this new font with OxyColorOS, and this sans adaptive is there now. So just in case you didn't like the two options that were available, this one is there too now. Coming to the sounds and vibration, and here the external UI looks almost similar too. But the main change is in the phone ringtone section, and this is what it looks like with OxygenOS 11.3. As compared to the older version, we get a lot more ringtones, plus the notification sound setting has also changed, and now looks like this animated sort of, which might look good to some and bad to others. The utilities option that was there with OxygenOS is now called Convenience Tool, which is in line with ColorOS and Realme UI. Though internally you get most of the older options that were there more or less. Another big change that has been introduced is with this new UI. So with the battery tab, it looks like this now, and I just hate this as the older graph style UI was something Android users were used to since years. And now all of a sudden this new UI from ColorOS makes really less sense to me, and it will take some getting used to. And yeah, there is no way to switch to the older UI or see your battery graph, and this is not good at all, at least to me. So what do you guys feel about this change? Do let me know in the comment section down below. After this, the storage settings has also changed with this new UI, and the previous one used to be more appealing in my opinion. But I won't say much on this cause that's how it will look now. Rest, the about phone page has also changed, and this is the way it looks like now. And I don't care much about this page, though the older one was better in my opinion. But there are bigger things to worry about now. Apart from this, the camera application has also changed, like I said in the unboxing video. So for better or worse, that is the reality now, and you can either accept it or move on, I don't know. And you must be thinking, well, that's it. Nope. There is one more big change that you might not like. So basically the way to unlock bootloader was amazingly easy on the past OnePlus phones, and I literally appreciated them for their policies. But it looks like they changed the whole process and the fast boot mode screen entirely. And they have even removed the advanced reboot option from the developer menu. How cool is that? So basically you are left with volume button shortcuts, and then you end up with this screen. Seriously, that is not cool OnePlus, and if you want users to not flash custom ROMs, you can be clear about it. But they just took it to the next level and made everything hard, and changed the way basically how we unlocked bootloader and flashed custom ROMs. Anyways, it can still be unlocked and the procedure is quite different. And I think people should take it really seriously, because if you want a locked bootloader, buy an iQOO or Vivo phone and use and throw it while saving your money. And this is the main reason I bought this Oneplus Nord 2, as I wanted to see the direction this company is going into. And to be really honest, it doesn't look that bright to me, at least for the end users. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video, and make sure you share it with your friends who are planning to buy a OnePlus phone. Also make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.